Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Nodepay airdrop and how you can go ahead and farm it. Now before we move on to airdrop farming for Nodepay, if you want to buy coins and tokens on a centralized exchange, you can use my sign up referral link for Bybit in the description. It will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is $30,000, or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. And if you want the crypto content in Hindi or Urdu language, you can subscribe to my another channel, which is Altcoin India Hindi. Now Nodepay has managed to raise the overall funding of around $8 million, and it should be a decent airdrop which would be similar to grass airdrop. Now in order to farm this airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and register your account on Nodepay over here. So simply go to this tab over here, all the links in the description, so it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to click on register over here, and you would be coming to this page over here where you will need to go ahead and input your email address, set up your password over here, and you will need to have a referral code in order to sign up on Nodepay. Now you can use my sign up referral link in the description as it really supports my channel. Now once you are signed up on Nodepay, all you have to do is you will need to go to your website over here, and as you can see, you can claim a free node over here by joining the Discord. So simply go ahead and join the Discord, and also you can put in your email address over here and get the early access for Nodepay by simply clicking over here by inputting your email address. Now the next thing that you will need to do is you will need to go to Chrome browser over here and go to Chrome web store over here, and you need to add this Nodepay extension to your Chrome browser. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go to this extension over here and simply click on connect over here, and as you can see, this Nodepay extension is connected now, and I keep earning points over here. So as you can see, there is this session earnings over here. Now once you do that, all you can do is basically you can go to the dashboard over here, and as you can see, they also have this referral program where you can go ahead and invite your friends and family members in order to earn additional points over here. And meanwhile, since we have already connected this Nodepay extension over here, this will give some additional points over here. And I think this session earnings would be updated every 24 hours. And since I've recently started farming this airdrop, that's the reason why it's not showing over here. So this is all for this video with regards to how you can go ahead and farm the Nodepay airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.